guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell, I have this very cute Candyland theme decoration over my wall, and the best part about it is all made out of paper, so it is very cheap and it is very budget friendly. So because I want to try and do more of a Candyland DIY, save myself some money for Christmas decorating, I decided to do this and try and come up with different ways to kind of make my own candy decorations instead of buying them. You can buy these online, however I didn't want to pay the price that I seen them for, so I want to do something and see if I can do it as cheap as possible, and this is what I came up with. So I'll back up and see if you guys can see more of the wall right here. Actually, let me get closer just to kind of show you some of the candy decorations that I did right here. And I got this paper. I used cardstock paper from Dollar Tree. I actually had some at home already. I used what is that, construction paper, my kids' construction paper for their school. And I just went online and found some images that I printed out, or I used my cutting machine to cut out a few of them. However, if you don't have a cutting machine, that is a-okay, because you can still do this just using, paper and cutting out your designs that you want. And even here you can tell, like, I just threw in some circles that I cut out with paper just to kind of add in between it, just to kind of fill the area a little bit more. And I'm probably going to throw a little bit more because I just can't get enough how cute this came out. It was so easy, so cheap. And if you guys are interested in seeing how I, did a few of these, then stay tuned. Also, I want to show you guys something else that I did. Alright, so I also did this snowman. I literally just took construction paper and just kind of drew this out. I cannot draw at all, so anyone can do this. If I can do this, you guys can do this. So I just took construction paper, glued it together just to kind of make his hat, his eyes, the nose, mouth, scarf, and there are his buttons. And like, this was super easy. I went on Google just to find like the shape of his nose that I wanted, try to draw it out. Actually, you know what, for his nose I typed in like snowman nose printout, something like that. I printed it out and I just traced it on some orange paper, and that's how I did that. But for the most part, I just kind of freehanded this whole thing. So I think he looks so cute with all of our decorations. I'm not going to show them to you yet because I want to finish all my decorations, and then I'll show you like how everything came out. So don't forget to, if you aren't a subscriber, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you are notified when I post that video and all future videos. But let's get started, and you can watch me kind of put these things together. And I'm also going to be doing another video on some other candy decorations that I'm going to be using throughout our Christmas home decor. So again, stay tuned for that. All right, so let me stop talking and let's get started.